our previous video, we have a discussion on main types of chemical reactions: combination, decomposition, displacement, and double displacement reaction. Today we will discuss on the related chemical reactions, that are oxidation reaction, reduction reaction or simply reduction, redox reaction, precipitation reaction, exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, corrosion, and last one is rancidity. First we will discuss about oxidation reaction. Any reaction in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed is called oxidation reaction. We will take an example: C plus O2, CO2. Here oxygen is added to carbon and becomes carbon dioxide, CO2. So such type of reaction is called oxidation reaction. Once again definition: such a chemical reaction in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed is called oxidation reaction. Second, reduction reaction or simply reduction. Any chemical reaction in which oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added is called reduction reaction. Example: Cu plus H2O, Cu plus H2. Here we can see H2O and here only H2, which shows oxygen has removed from H2. So such type of reactions are called reduction reactions. Again, reduction or reduction reaction: any chemical reaction in which oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added is called reduction or reduction reaction. Now third is redox reaction. Any reaction in which oxidation and reduction both occurs simultaneously is called redox reaction. Let us have an example: Cu plus H2O, CuO plus H2. In this example, we can see here is only copper, but here CuO, which shows oxygen has been added to Cu, and so this chemical has gone to oxidation. This element has gone to oxidation. And here we can see in H2O, here H2O and here is only H2, which shows oxygen has removed from H2, which shows H2O has been reduced or H2O has gone to reduction. So this compound there reduction. So redox reaction: any reaction in which oxidation and reduction both occurs simultaneously is called redox reaction. Next reaction is precipitation reaction. Any reaction in which precipitate occurred during the reaction is called precipitation reaction. Let's have an example: when sodium sulfate and barium chloride mixed in water, then sodium chloride and barium sulfate are obtained. This compound of barium sulfate is obtained in the bottom of the test tube. It is an insoluble substance. It is called precipitate. So the definition of precipitation reaction: such a chemical reaction in which precipitate is obtained during the reaction is called precipitation reaction. Next reaction is exothermic reaction. Such a chemical reaction in which energy is released during the reaction is called exothermic reaction. Now, when we burn coal, carbon C plus O2, then carbon dioxide is formed and we feel some heat, that is energy. So this type of reaction are called exothermic reactions. Again definition, any chemical reaction in which energy is released during the reaction is called exothermic reaction. Next reaction is endothermic reaction. Such a chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed during the reaction is called endothermic reaction. You have seen an example, calcium carbonate breaks down CaO and CO2. This substance undergo decomposition only when heat is applied to only when heat is applied. So heat. So this type of chemical reactions are called endothermic reaction. Such a chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed during the reaction.